In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if your surround sound or 5-in-1 sound is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in sys.cpl. Go ahead and open that up. Should be a control panel item here. Select the playback tab, should be the default landing page. Select your speaker output device and then select configure. Should be a 5.1 surround option. Select next, and then you can configure your optional speakers alongside of that. Select next again. Just follow along the on-screen prompts and then select finish and then OK. And then once you're done, open up the search menu and type in device manager. Best results come back with device manager. Open that up. You want to expand the audio input and output section, and then right click on the speaker device and select update driver. Browse your computer for drivers, and then select only pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one unless there's only generic ones available, in which case you would select it and then select next. Close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process to resolving your surround sound problems. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.